Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I didn't get any content up before surgery date a few days ago. See? And here. But things were it was just crazy we had cat show weekend, child's birthday, visitors coming to visit. It was after the holidays, just a lot of stuff at in 1 month that seemed to drag on forever. But it's February 2nd. It's Groundhog Day. Both groundhogs seen your shadow says it's going to be 6 more weeks of winter, even though it's supposed to be 78 here in Georgia next week. So, that's winter for us anyway. But today is special. Today we're going to do an unboxing. Now, last year I did a subscription box from Fat Quarter Shop. I did their door banners. And I'm still working on them. I've got 5 that need to be pieced. And I think 6 total that need to be quilted. 6 or 7. I'm working on the Valentine's Day one now. I'm way behind because of the hurricane and everything. But let's not get into all of that negativity. This year I decided to do they're so colorful Fat Quarter bundle, because I'm trying to focus on getting a big stash of colors together, so that, because I've noticed like I'll either have a ton of orange and no red, a ton of purple, no blue, not enough greens, things like that. And I want to kind of keep a level of colors so that if I need a Fat Quarter of a green, I don't have to run to the store and and come out with $100 more fabric than I went in there for. You know what I'm saying? You know what we all us quilters go in there and it's like, yep, I'll come in here for this spool of thread, and I came out with this much stuff. So anyway, so we're going to do an unboxing of that because this came, I think, Friday after my surgery. This is January's. Now, it is creams, and I was kind of, at first I was expecting like more solid colors, but I mean, I looked at their calendar list, and next February is pinks, and then reds are Christmas, and they have the whole year marked out on what you can expect, which is good. I mean, it would be cool if it was total mystery. It was to me because I didn't see this on there, and it may not have been updated when I ordered, because it was like it was the end of December when I placed this order for this year. And kitty, no growling. Y'all behave. Cats are fighting. But anyway, so this is it. We're going to open it up and see what it is. It's really pretty. It's a lot of low volumes. And it's a very good smattering of them. It looks like a lot of them, like at least half of them are probably Lori Holt. We're going to take a look. I know this one right here kind of looks like it might be Moda. But we're going to open it up because I'm going to fold them up and I'm going to put them in my stash box. I'm not keeping them in this thing here because if I do, I will never use them. It also comes with a card on the back with SKUs. So if you find one that you really, really like and want more, you've got the SKU, which I like that. So we're going to take a look. And it came in this. Let's take a look. Let's see if I can get this open with my hand. I can't put a lot of pressure on my palm, but I've been working at it every day. I save these because I put scraps and projects in them, and I just box them up into one of these leftover project boxes that the Riley Blake door banners came in. Easy, simple storage. I know where they are. So that's a good idea for those because I've got like 12 boxes, and I'm going to use some of them for gifts this year. But It's just a good way. So here's our card. It's got all the SKUs on it. Here, it looks like there's some Christmas ones, some springy looking ones, some florals, a good smattering of different ones. So let's take a look. Whoa, I like how they fold these. So you can see all of them, but then I'm going to fold them and put them away. So this one is a latte one, I think. I don't have, I'll post the SKUs or at least the designers in the description box. But this looks like it's Lori Holt to me. It doesn't have it on the selvage here. I didn't get that part. But that one is pretty. It's kind of a gray little shamrock looking thing. So that's pretty. Lay that right there. Here we are with a blue kind of leafy one. Also looks like it could be Lori Holt or some kind of Riley Blake. With some dots. Real pretty. And we got one that kind of looks like corn. Some kind of floral with some green dots. Little orangish yellow corn rusks. So it kind of looks like Lori Holt, and see that they all say latte on them. I'm assuming they are. Here's a good, kind of a brown and blue dot. I'm not sure where this one come from, but it's pretty. If you can see it, the colors show up on my thing or not. Here's another one. This one is got green, blue, yellow, and gray. Squares, dots, dashes. Kind of looks like another Lori Holt one. Or Riley Blake. Though I could be totally wrong. This one's like a tiny flower. And some dashes. This could be Lori Holt, but this also looks like it could be Lisa Bonjean. But it's very pretty. It's kind of grayish, maybe purple. It's hard to tell. It's real tiny. It could go, you could probably use it for either. And we got this one. This looks like little hashtags or 4 pluses to make a hashtag in green. Also looks to be kind of a Lori Holtish fabric. This one kind of looks like Moda to me, but it could be Lori Holt. It's some little floral, leafy, sunflowery looking things in multicolors. It's very pretty. You can see that. Okay. This one looks kind of like, I would say coriander quilts. Someone in that, or fig tree or something. It's a very pretty floral. Kind of reminds me of them. Multicolored floral. Very springy. Love it. This one too. I could say this one would be Lori Holt. Or it also could be Lisa Bonjean, Corioto. Or one of those. Or a Moda print. This may also be My So Quilty Life. But it's a pretty little floral. Pink and green. This one looks like Sherry and Chelsea. Or something to that nature. It's more modern. It's very pretty. It's got multicolors on it. This one's like a white on white, or kind of an off-white on white. Or white on off-white. It's the same as one of the others that had the floral, but it's just the white. It's multicolored floral, but just the white. And let's see what we got here. This one, okay, some of these do have it, I just haven't seen the others. Didn't have the selvage on. This one actually does. This one is Moda. This one's actually a Moda, so that other one that was like this, but multicolored was Moda. It looks like it's, doesn't say. It says Dusty something by. So, okay. So that's a Moda. Definitely, so I'll look for that. Okay. Here's a plaid. This is Shoreline by Camille Ross Kelly. It's just a gray kind of plaidish. It's a very basic print. It's very pretty. This one I knew was Sherry and Chelsea from the get-go because I have this one. Or I've actually, yeah. I've got Laguna Sunrise. Let me grab it up here. I've got Laguna Sunrise. So I knew I'd seen this before. I haven't used it yet, but it's very pretty. It's multicolored. And just a good overall low volume print. This one looks Christmassy. So I guess you get 12, one for each month of the year. Kind of for each season, but this one's red, green, and gray. And this one looks like it's probably, yeah, it's Layla Boutique. I know it's like her magic dot or something. It's a Christmas dot. So it's very pretty. Red, gray, green. Very pretty. And it's sitting on. All right. Well, that's it. I thought I got interrupted by my son. He came in to get his license because he's learning to drive. His daddy. But let me know what you think. Which one of these was your favorite? I think my favorite so far is probably Lagoon Sunrise. The magic dots, anything that's got a lot of color on it, like this. I think that's great. They're all, to me, very pretty, and I would be able to use every single one of them in a quilt. This will make a really good low-volume quilt. A lot of these go together, so, but I like that there's one for every season, because I could tell this one's Christmas, and then we have a few fall ones in here, and summery looking ones, and spring ones, like this one's spring, obviously. This one looks more like fall. This one's more wintry. So, just tell me what you think about the So Colorful Fat Quarter Club cream colorway for 2025. Do you order it? Which subscription box have you found from Fat Quarter Shop of their Fat Quarter Club that you like the most? I want to hear it because I'm trying to, not really, I've got a stash, but just kind of fill out my stash so that I don't have a lot of gaps, so I'm not having to run to the store a lot, and I can just work from my stash. And this was reasonable. It's $39.95, I think, plus tax and shipping. I think it came out to around $48, something like that for me. And they ship pretty quickly. Like, I got the notification that it shipped, like, I think Thursday or Friday, and it was here by Friday night or Saturday. I think it was yesterday. But yeah, so stay tuned for another unboxing. I'm going to do some So Yeah. This is probably going to be the very few unboxings this year. Due to, trying to save money and use my stash. I'm trying to use the mantra, more sewing out, less coming in. Like, more sewing of the fabrics I've got and less bringing in more, unless I need to complete a project or round out a collection. So, but yeah, let me know in the comments what you think.